This is our second crack at limiting and excess reagents. And so anytime you have a limiting excess reagent question, they're going to give you the amount of both reactants, and we don't know how much product will actually be made. So our strategy is to find the number of moles of aluminum, then how many moles of aluminum chloride would be made. Then we'll find the number of moles of chlorine, find the number of moles of aluminum chloride made. Whichever makes less aluminum chloride is my limiting reagent, and that's the most possible amount of aluminum chloride. So in this, the number of moles of aluminum equals mass divided by molar mass. So we've got 4.0 gram divided by 26.98 gram per mole. And so we've got 4 divided by 26.98 gives me 0.148 mole of aluminum. Well, the number of moles of aluminum oxide that can be produced, we'll use that number. And I'm going to get rid of my aluminums and be left with aluminum oxides, and I get 2 of those for 1 of those. So I'm going to find that this is 0.0741 mole of aluminum oxide can be produced from aluminum. My number of moles of chlorine, again, mass divided by molar mass, is 4.50 gram divided by 70.90 gram per mole. And so I've got 4 divided by 70.90, and I come out with 0.0564 mole of chlorine. The number of moles of aluminum chloride, we'll use that number, and we're going to multiply. I get, for every 3 chlorines, I get 2 aluminum chlorides. So this number times 2 divided by 3, and I come out with 0.0376 mole. Well, you can see here that this is a smaller amount of aluminum chloride than this. So this is my maximum possible yield. We're going to just have leftover aluminum that's unreacted. So this is my excess reagent, this is my limiting reagent, and the mass of aluminum chlorides will be equal to N times molar mass. This is my maximum N, so 0.376 mole, times my molar mass of aluminum chloride, which is going to be 35.45 times 3 plus 26.98, I think. Yeah. Gives me 133.33 gram per mole. And I'll multiply that by this. Now, I should have kept the number in my calculator, but this will give me a pretty good estimate. So 5.01 gram of aluminum chloride is the maximum possible yield that I can get from that because I've run out of my chlorines. So there'll be leftover aluminum at the end of this.